Jess4TV production.
What's up guys, it's Jess4TV back on your screen with another video. If you've been here before, what's up friend, welcome back. If you're new, just go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I'm cool as fuck, it'll be worth it. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I do a protective style install, specifically some crochet twists. So let's go ahead and jump right into this video. Some of the products that you'll need for this install is of course your hair. I'll be using the Havana Jumbo Twist in 14-inch. You'll need some scissors, some clips. I'm also going to be using the Shine and Jam Gel. I just like the hold of it. It really just kind of, you know, sucks everything in. The Murray's Lock Gel, just to kind of help my hair blend with the synthetic hair. Also, I'll be using the Murray's Beeswax. You'll need a comb, scissors, you know, anything else to just help you, you know, install this hair. So those are the products that you'll need. I am coming to you guys with freshly washed, extensively deep conditioned and blown out hair, and you guys, the growth, I can't, like, I'm blown away. Like, I can imagine if I went to, you know, a salon and got a real live blowout. But if you guys want to see how I blow out my hair, just comment down below. Alright guys, but let's just jump right into this. I'm just gonna get right into it and show you guys what I'm about to do. Hey, what I'm about to do. Okay guys, so I'm on my last braid, and as you can see, I did like kind of a blunt tip with these, just because I wanted it to look a bit more different. Wanted a little edge about it. So I'm about to do this last braid. Just put some jam on it. Suck those edges in. Smooth it down in the front. Give it a little twist. Get a rubber band. And gently put that around. I usually wrap it around probably about like 6 or 7 times. With the crochet needle, you put it up through the side. So I want it to lay on my right side, so I put it through the right side so that it'll lay flat that way, if that makes sense. Take the twist, put it on the hook. Y'all know how to crochet. Pull that through, and then what I do is I take my hair plus the tip of it and bring it through the loop. I don't know if in my head it makes it seem like it's a bit more secure. I don't know how effective it is, but yeah. Then I'm gonna unravel the twist, tighten it up a bit, split my hair in two, tighten it up a bit around the crochet hair. Take some of the wax and split my hair equally, you know, in between each twist, and twist rather. And as I go down, I just keep adding more of the wax just to help get it like a seamless blend from my hair to the fake hair. And just twist it all the way to the end. I wanted to go with the ends to be kind of blunt. I'm going to go ahead and place the rubber band on the end of the hair, and then I'm going to cut it like right below the rubber band, and I'm going to place a little jewel on it just because it's cute. Alright guys, so I'm back. This is the finished product. Once again, I just installed the twists using a crochet hair and a crochet needle, and I also did a little extra step and I cut the ends to kind of make them blunt because I wanted a kind of short look. Flip that baby to the side, and this is what I got. Alright guys, so I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope this video inspired you to do a protective style as well. Tag me in your post. Let me see what you come up with. Maybe you can give me some inspiration because I'm always looking for a protective style. Alright guys, once again, I hope you enjoyed this video. Until my next one, guys.